Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use magnesium sulfate for swelling. Magnesium sulfate, widely known as Epsom salt, is a natural mineral compound. It's often used in warm baths to help reduce swelling and inflammation. The magnesium and sulfate in the salt are believed to be absorbed through your skin, which can help relax muscles and alleviate discomfort from various conditions. It's a simple and accessible remedy many people find beneficial. To prepare your soothing bath, begin by filling a standard bathtub with warm water. It's important that the water is warm, not excessively hot, to avoid worsening swelling. As the water runs, add about 2 cups of magnesium sulfate, also known as Epsom salt, to the tub. Stir the water gently to ensure the salt fully dissolves. Remember to avoid using Epsom salt in tubs with jets unless the manufacturer explicitly states it's safe. Once your bath is ready, immerse the swollen area or your entire body for 15 to 30 minutes. While soaking, you can gently massage the affected area to help promote circulation and further reduce swelling. If you have localized swelling and prefer not to take a full bath, you can create a warm compress. Dissolve 1 cup of magnesium sulfate in 1 quart of warm water, soak a towel, and apply it to the area for 15 to 30 minutes. There are a few important considerations for using magnesium sulfate. After your soak, rinse your skin thoroughly with clean water to remove any salt residue, which can cause dryness. It's also crucial to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water before and after your bath. Limit these baths to 2 or 3 times per week to prevent potential skin dryness. Always avoid using magnesium sulfate on open wounds, severe burns, or if you have severe skin inflammation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.